Here is how to make homemade butter with just one ingredient. But before we start, hey my lovelies, welcome to Shubi's Kitchen. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome. So let's head straight into the video. So in a clean bowl, you want to pour in your whipping cream. And the reason why I'm making this homemade butter is because I realized that the stability of my whipping cream had gone because of electricity fluctuation, and I thought to show you guys how to turn that into a butter. Instead of you just disposing the whipping cream, you can reuse it, and trust me, this butter is amazing. So you want to whisk this for 4 to 5 minutes on very high heat, and you want to add ice chunks into this because you need it in a very cold temperature so that the butter can come together and form, tiny lumps or big lumps. Now this is very important. You want to sieve this either in a strainer or in a cheesecloth. I would advise a cheesecloth so that you can get every part of the butter from your whipped cream. So an alternative to this is using a cotton-like fabric. If you have a cotton-like fabric, you can just transfer this to the cotton-like fabric and then squeeze just like I will do in this video. So if you are thinking, what did I use this remaining milk for? I gave my dogs to enjoy it. So I'm just using my cotton-like fabric for this, pouring water strained already. Honestly, you can just go from, the mixture down to your, cotton-like fabric or your cheesecloth. There's no need to strain it first, then use cheesecloth. If you get what I'm trying to say, because I tried to get a cheesecloth from my area, my axis, I couldn't find, so I just came up with this and it worked just fine. Can you see that our butter is already coming to shape? Can you see that it's already looking like a proper butter? So into another clean bowl, you want to add very cold water. I'm even using block for this. And then you transfer your butter from your cheesecloth or cotton-like clothes into this cold water. You want to rinse it basically. So anything that is remaining, just rinse the butter and it would also solidify while you are doing this. I used a good amount of the whipping cream to make my Oreos ice cream that is just right up this video, so you can do well to watch it. And I also used this whipping cream to make my blueberry ice cream and it was amazing. I also used the whipping cream to make a popsicle ice cream that I'll be uploading shortly. So if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And we've just made a fantastic homemade butter, and this butter is actually very tasty and rich. I used it to make chicken quesadilla and it was super amazing. Let me know if you'll be trying this butter recipe in the comment below. If you have any questions, please let me know and I'll do well to answer it to the best of my ability. And you can store this in your fridge or freezer for as long as the expiration date on your whipping cream container. And my lovelies, YouTube recommends that you watch this video next.